firm belief is that this is a panic, a stopgap measure by the Minister, who has failed abysmally in providing homes for people, that he gave a commitment he would get people out of hotels by a certain date, and this here seems to be his answer to that, which is not at all suitable. These homes are not going to be used for people on the street. These homes are being used to empty people out of hotels and maybe bed and breakfast, which is costing the state an enormous amount of money. Now, to counteract all that, what we need to do is build homes, adequate and proper homes. I don't believe families should be living in hotels. I think it's disgraceful in this day and age. But to move them into a disused factory, the Minister said it's only for 6 months. Where are they going to go after 6 months? Where are the homes in 6 months for the people who would be moved in here?